All right, so this is what you're going to do for the reading portion of your assignments for the rest of this week. You have been given a PDF version of the Crucible play because, for obvious reasons, I'm not going to pass out books. This is that PDF version. In addition to the PDF, you have also received the YouTube audio because I know some of you don't like to read out loud or don't want to read it yourself, so listening to it is always an option. Starting with the PDF. To start with, there is a lot of this that you do not need to worry about. If you want to read this for yourself, rock on, but otherwise, the rest of us will start here on page 5 with the word Reverend Paris, with this in this kind of italicized writing. In addition to, if we're going to skip all that on the PDF, we'll obviously have to skip it on the audio as well. You'll want to take your audio and get it started at 11:56, and that will line you up with the PDF. For today's lesson, you will be reading or listening to 16 minutes worth of the book today. In addition, while you're listening, you'll need to complete your journal assignment, which was explained in the last video. So if you can do the math correctly, 12 plus 16 is 28. So you will be going until you get to minute 28. Now, I don't know if that stops at a good time or not. If obviously it's in the middle of a page, you might want to keep going till you hit the end. Or if you want to stop, go ahead. But you're going to need to go to at least the number 20 or the minute mark 28 to be able to meet for today's reading requirements. Please don't forget to fill out the journal as you go. It's much easier to fill out the document as you go than to try to remember and think back of what happened. If you have any questions, please let me know.